How to charge the batteries. Connect the charger plug to the controller. The light will turn to amber. Plugging the charger into the controller will only change the left battery, which is the active one. Only one battery is active at a given time. If you want to connect to charge the battery, you can do it directly by using the plug that is on the side of the battery. So simply remove the cap and connect the charger into the socket. You can leave the batteries charging. When they are fully charged, the charger will disconnect on its own. The first time you have to charge the batteries for about 14 hours, and normally you will have to charge them between 8 and 12 hours. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.